Okay, we previously did this drawing in exercise 1B of the engineering graphics course. Now we're going to do the drawing accompanying it on the right. So we're gonna start off with the larger part first. That's this rectangle shape. So again, starting from the bottom left, going upwards, I can see that the height of the rectangle is about one, two, four dots. Seems about right. So starting here, go by 4 units. One, two, three, four. Going across is one, two, three, four, five, 6 units. So counting the dots. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Going down and closing. See. And then there are circles at the midpoints of each line. And the radius is about 0.5 inches as well. So find the center, midpoint, point. Let's press spacebar to generate the circles. 0.5. It's not working. Again, midpoint, circle. You notice that inside the circles as well, there shouldn't be any lines present to show the outer rectangle. So I'm gonna use trim, 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 trim. And inside these circles we have lines intersecting with their centers, and they form a diamond shape. So I use the command line, joining, starting at this center, and finishing off at this center. Spacebar. So I have diamond shape now. Now we should get the square inside. So we can go into the command rectangle. Where is it? Yes, rectangle. 2-point rectangle. So starting at this point and ending at this point, you get that square shape, and then finishing off with the line command. Start at the quadrant of the circle on the left, joining to the midpoint of the left line of square, and then another line on the right side. And this drawing is complete.